eating too much. Maybe they say they don't hear me and you complain too.
But you were whispering that time, but now you are shouting. Okay, let's do it very well now. Want to go? Hi guys. See, better. Abby, what do you guys think?
Okay, the first one and this one, which one do you hear? Because I will put that first one.
No other. Leave it. Happy Sunday, you guys. How are you guys doing? Look at Mama B going slay, slay, slay. I'm a baby girl slaying, slay, slay. Why are you doing like village girl? What is this? You do like this. Exactly, you know. Good girl.
Yeah, happy, okay. So, happy Sunday to you guys. How are you guys doing? I'm wearing my wedding gown.
I'm wearing my. What's the color of this clothes?
You don't even know. See,
The gown is. You can see now, black.
So guys, you're welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. You're just seeing my face for the first time. My name is Peace. You're welcome back, and I really do.
Is Elizabeth.
Yeah, I really do appreciate you coming to my channel, stopping by. I don't take that for granted. I'm so happy. God bless you. Happy Easter. How are you enjoying your Easter? So guys, I'm here in the kitchen once again. You know, you guys know that I love to be in the kitchen, right? I love to cook. That is, I love to cook. In everything in this world, it's cooking that I love most. Even though when I'm sick, call me, I will cook. I love to cook. I don't know, I love to cook. So guys, today I'm in the kitchen once again. We are preparing some, you know, some chup, something I will be putting in our mouth. You guys have dropped a video of puff because today we are eating puff. I'm making puff for Easter Sunday. So right now we are making jollof rice and salad with some chicken. I'm gonna roast the chicken on the oven. So guys, stay tuned and cook with me today, okay? Please, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, share my video, please, don't watch without sharing. Please share. God bless you. I'm so happy.
I went to one for water. I want to bathe my baby.
This is my chicken. This is the chicken we are using to prepare this amazing rice. So there's the chicken right now. All our pepper is very washed. This is tatashe and this small long one is shombo. I think, is it this one that is shombo? This one is tatashe. No, this one is tatashe, this one is shombo, if I'm not mistaken. And we have some red pepper, well washed, so it just remains to blend it. So it's time to add things in our chicken. First thing is onions. Where is the Maggi now? I've seen it. Sorry. This is ginger. So I add pepper. I just wanted to boil small, so after 5 minutes it will be ready because I'm putting it inside oven. that I can use the water for the rice. This thing will waste my time. This chicken, if you cook it for long, it's always soft. When you are cooking, or when you are cooking a pie with chicken, local chicken. I hope you know how many pie when I have local chicken. I want to take time before it's ready. So I will not just put this chicken like this. I will show you guys what I will add on this chicken. I will still come and cook it just for the fire to bring those, to take those things and enter inside. Then after that, this is what I do. I will sprinkle pepper in the chicken, and I will, if you have not done chicken like this and eat, come and try it. It's so yummy. When I was cooking in Banana Island, that is why all my boss always call me to come and do chicken. She's the one that even called me to come back to Lagos, because she loved the way I deal with the chicken for her. She will eat, she can eat only chicken. So this is it. You just sprinkle your pepper. If you the kind of person that like pepper, you put it enough to your own taste. This one is for children, so I will not go there. Then after that, you sprinkle groundnut oil. Just sprinkle a little. Just sprinkle a little groundnut oil. There's a chicken that my brother-in-law always buy for my sister Victoria. When they bring the chicken, I will do like this. You can't see the way she whack the chicken. She deal with the chicken. So it's yummy. So just sprinkle some more oil. That is it. The maggi, everything was there already. So it's ready to go and put it in the oven. And in the next 2 hours, if your oven is fast, in the next 1 hour, you are done. But if you want it to be dry bit by bit, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, you handle the chicken the way you want it. See you guys when I want to fix. Okay, I think I'm going to show you guys when I'm fixing this thing in the oven. Help me see the chicken there. So ready. I've already had put fire. You can see fire. So we'll show you guys when it's ready. And this is the rice. Let me go and start with the salad, because this people won't finish me today. They say I must. So let's do carrot for salad. Nothing will go on this only this movie. Bring fork. Check the middle that the light. So guys, come in the comment section. This if I'm doing for party, this is how I will leave it. But it's like my sister loves to cut it into pieces. That will be when we are done. We ask her.
That's just one thing about party.
Not every party. If I cook for party, I cook it because I will eat it. That's why I always tell you, good to do something very clean. Sometimes your food will not be that sweet, but if you have a restaurant, your food may not even be that sweet. But people will come to your place because that place is clean. So it's very good to make every waste while cooking to be clean. So we are done. She needs pieces, so I pieces it. If I'm doing party, this is how I mix my salad. And this is not the only ingredient that I use for salad. If I'm doing party, I put a lot of it. So, but this is salad, you know. So if I'm doing salad, I don't know what you're talking about. If I'm doing salad or party, I will buy the ingredient to be enough, not only two. But this, so the rice is ready. We are waiting for the chicken. So the salad is ready, the rice is ready, the chicken is in the oven. See you guys when everything is ready. If you want to see the full video of this my rice, check my channel. I have it there. I don't even understand all these things. So guys, this is the chicken. It's ready. Everything is ready. See this table now. It's ready. See you guys. Thank you so much for. Let me show you guys my face. Show you guys my face. If anybody no tell me say I fine, I go tell myself say I fine. I know say. My subscriber always tell me, even though you don't use powder, you look beautiful face. I'm so excited. See you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. And this is Mama B and B. What are you eating? Bye. As we say, bye. See some people stealing chicken. Bye. Bye guys.